What's up, everybody? Welcome back here on the channel. Today we're gonna take a look at some mixed stuff. You know, normally I do separate videos for Matchbox and for Hot Wheels, but sometimes I just can't find enough diecast stuff at the stores. So yeah, I throw it all in, and that's what we do today. And we got some really cool models. Definitely some Hot Wheels highlights of the year, in my opinion, and some Matchbox highlights. So let's get started, and let's take a look at this guy here. New casting for 2025, the 2024 BMW 7 Series. So let's crack this one open. And yeah, what can I say? This year is, I think, a fantastic year for Matchbox. They're doing great stuff, really great stuff. And this is definitely one of the highlights, especially because the details are so crisp and so clear on these models. Look at the front, look at the grille, the headlights, and this BMW logo. This is really perfect. I mean, this is a €1 or €1.50 model. Really nice. This is the back. I mean, it's just saying BMW on the license plate. Let's say real German license plate would have been nice, but anyways, I think the wheels are a good choice. As you can see, this one he has some yeah, scratches here on the door, but it is how it is. The color is great. Fantastic Matchbox model, in my opinion. Really nice, and one of the highlights of the year for sure. So let's put our BMW in the parking lot as we take a look at our next model, which is this one here, the Renault Kangu Express. So I would say this is a casting that is not very popular, but I have to say I really like it because it comes in very many cool different liveries. So we have city services, street maintenance on this one with the green livery, but I do have a lot of other versions, and when you display them next to each other, I mean, they look so cool. I mean, this is a casting that hasn't even an interior, but yeah, look at the decos. The more you have, the more you like them, in my opinion. As you can see, normally this casting doesn't have any headlights, and yeah, definitely would look better with headlights and taillights, but it is how it is. If you display them like you normally do from the side, this is just cool. I really like this casting, and yeah, pretty happy to add another version to the collection. So let's go on with another Matchbox model. New casting for 2025, the 2024 Cadillac Lyric. Same wheels as our BMW. So let's put this guy on the turntable. And yeah, this one also looks really good. Comes in a gray, let's say flat gray livery with some metal flecks in there. Looks good. The Cadillac logo on the front. Once again, I mean, it's pretty nice to have anything on the license plate, but yeah, some US license plate on this one. I mean, that would make it perfect. But also very nice new casting. And our last Matchbox model for this video. I don't think I have any other versions of this guy here. The Ford, what is that? The 2015 Ford F-150 contractor truck. Okay. So seems like this guy doesn't have any interior. I bought this one also because of its deco. Agave Acres. Yeah. I do have, I think, 2 or 3 models with the same deco. So yeah, it's just nice to have one casting in different decos and different decos on or the same the same deco on different casting. Like what is it called? Yeah. So anyways, we go on with some yeah, pretty nice Hot Wheels models. We have a new color for the Kra Eraser. So this one comes in flat silver. This is a really cool new casting for this year. Unfortunately, as you can see, the windshield banner, the C is a little yeah, scratched off, but deal with that. This was the first version, also fantastic color, kind of a glossy purple, I don't know what. It's a little bit of a color shifter. So this is a really nice pair in my opinion. Appreciate that they do have different wheels. So yeah, these two look really fantastic next to each other. So I definitely have to get another one with a complete windshield banner. Put this one into the parking lot, and I think this is the regular treasure hunt for I don't know, the yeah, I forgot to mention, I think these Matchbox models were from the Matchbox G case, I think, and the Hot Wheels models, I think they are from the H case, if I'm right. Whatever, as you can see right here, little flame, it's saying it is the regular treasure hunt, the birthday burner. Forgot to take out the other two versions of this one. We've seen it in purple and or pink and brown, I think. So yeah, I think it's a neat idea. I know that yes, many people like this one, as you can see. Below there is a fork, and I I really like this one. So into the parking lot it goes. Then we have the Ford GT, not a casting that I normally collect because I don't like these extremely huge wheels in the back, but it comes with Borla decos, so yeah, had to have it. Sometimes they bring out these Borla deco models in two color variations. So first white, then black. I don't know if they are doing the same with this guy here, but yeah, Borla like a Falcon or Golf, definitely a must-have. And we go on with the 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 in a fantastic livery, and we will see a new casting right after this with a very similar deco. But look at this guy. I mean, this is fantastic. Union Jack on the roof. And of course, this deco mimics John Player Special, and it looks so good for a mainline model. I mean, look at the livery. It's kind of I don't know if it's metallic black. It's more like I don't know, a little bit of green in it. I don't know, but it looks just fantastic. Rims are a good match. So let's put this one to the side. And yeah, I'm pretty happy that I found this one. I think it's really hard to get. BMW 635 CSI new casting, and it also comes in this kind of a John Player special deco. So if I take a look at the livery, I think it's exactly the same. So but two fantastic models with this deco. Look at this one. And the wheels, I love those wheels. It just looks so fantastic. And What's kind of interesting is that if you take a look at, I think the interior is black, so it's the same color as the base, but we do get some chrome parts here on the bumper and also on the back. So it seems like there's an extra piece of chrome in there. Yeah, this could be Hot Wheels model of the year, I think. Fantastic. So yeah, we can put those two guys next to each other, and yeah, I think it's exactly the same base livery. Really, really nice. And our last one is from the Silver Series. This is the Toyota set. When I came into the store, they had all of the models. I think the only one with a metal base is the off-road truck, but I don't really get it. I think it's a pretty bad choice for a metal base. Definitely the other ones would have deserved it more than the off-road truck. But anyways, I wanted to have this one. And yeah, new version for the Toyota Land Cruiser 80 in a fantastic green livery with some ready deco. And this one looks really, really nice. Comes with these off-road wheels. Unfortunately, they're saying Hot Wheels. And, not the name of a tire brand, but anyways. This one looks fantastic. It's a really nice casting. I think we haven't seen it for a while. I think this gray one here was the first version. Then we saw it in this, let's say, off-white with colorful stripes on the side. And then there was also this one. First I thought it was a treasure hunt, but I don't think it is. This was also just a regular mainline model. And now think about this. I mean, this one is only missing taillights. Can you see that? And this one here is between 4 and 5 euros. And this one, it cost me €1.50. Or maybe back then €1. I don't remember it. But I mean, this is the problem with the Silver Series. Look at this. I mean, okay, it has a little bit more deco here on the hood, but I mean, that's it. You pay like 3 times the price for a mainline model with a little bit more deco. And in the recent sets, we only had one model with a metal base. I showed it to you on the packaging. What was it called? The off-road truck. And yeah, I mean, you want to have all of them, so you have to buy it. Anyways, I mean, it looks really good, but the price is ridiculous. So let's put these to the side. By the way, there is also another version. I think it's a US exclusive from Kroger in red. So yeah, as always, we take a look at our models from today's video, and I pick a favorite. And yeah, well, I mean, this one's really cool, and this one, but definitely also the BMW. But for me, it's really this really, really nice BMW. Fantastic. With that said, thanks for watching. Happy hunting, and see you next time. Bye.